Communities of Valledupar, Colombia complain about lack of drinking water. Located on a plain in the middle of two mountain ranges, the Sierra de Parilla and the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. Today it is one of the commercial centers for the region and the agricultural and pastoral interior of Colombia. Caribbean city of Valledupar, a destination with potential, of incredible natural beauty that surrounds the city and the folklore of the region. Recently, the Valledupar Public Services Company, Emdupar, reported that the failures are due to the low pressure of the service supply networks, as a consequence of the high turbidities that have occurred in the upper part of the Guatapurí River. Corrective maintenance is being carried out in the treatment system to normalize the service in these sectors. They are coordinating the necessary actions for those who still have difficulties and to normalize the service. The little liquid that arrives is enough for cooking food and daily bathing. There are times when the water arrives dirty. Complaints about deficiencies in the drinking water supply are recurring. Citizens say that the conditions they face are unjustifiable, taking into account the super drinking water storage tank, which the company launched in September. This megaproject has a capacity of 20,000 cubic meters, which would allow the supply of liquid to 187,000 inhabitants. Apparently it is not working correctly. It is an important work for the city's aqueduct system, but it is not the definitive solution to all these deficiencies. Among the initiatives contemplated, the construction of a raw water reservoir stands out, to counteract turbidity events at the source and improve the flow during the dry season. It also considers the optimization of replacement, expansion of aqueduct networks and main distribution networks. An optimization of the drinking water treatment plant, hydraulic sectorization, and the construction of new storage tanks are sought, the head of technical management specified. He also argued that the continuation of the works and the political will is necessary because the plan is designed for a period of 30 years. We must unite efforts to manage the nation's resources because these are works that require an investment of approximately 500 billion pesos.